Alright everybody, let's do this. We're going to continue creating triangles. This time we're going to create a right triangle using a given leg and hypotenuse. So the first thing we're going to need to do is create our leg. But to do that, we're just going to start off by creating any old horizontal line. And the reason we're going to do that is because we're going to need to create a perpendicular line to that. Now while we're at it though, we might as well go find a leg by copying the length of the given leg. Okay, so here we are. Set up your compass and then create a dot. And then take your compass, put your point on that dot, and make a little swoop. That's going to be one of our given legs. You can call it whatever you want. Call it AB. So that is our given leg. But before we're going to be able to create the hypotenuse, what we need to do is we need to create a perpendicular line through A or B. So it really doesn't matter. To do that, what you're going to have to do is go back and try to figure out how to create a perpendicular line through a point. And to do that, what you need to do is create two marks. So what you want to do is you want to take your compass and you want an arc on both sides of A on the given line. Okay, so what I did is I just set up my compass and I created an arc here and here from A. Now what you need to do, the next step, is set your compass to be a little bit wider than A to the points, okay, a little bit wider. And then what you're going to do is you're going to create two more arcs. What you need to do is you need to put your compass point back on A, and you're going to make two swoops up here at the top above it. So to do that, you put your compass point over here, swoop, and then take your compass point and put it on this part and swoop again. Where they intersect, that's going to be a perpendicular line. So you're going to create that perpendicular line of an unknown length as well. Okay? So now you've got the perpendicular line. So now we just have to figure out where the hypotenuse goes. To do that, you need to adjust your compass one last time. Lock it in place once you have. Put the compass point on B and do one more swoop to the perpendicular line. And that right there created the point where the hypotenuse intersects the other leg. So now we have our third vertex. We can call it C. And then we're just going to take our straight edge and we're going to connect C and B and go back and connect A and C. And we're done. So to recap, step one, what you need to do is draw a horizontal line and then put one of your legs on it. So I just copied this leg and I put it over here. Step two, create a perpendicular line. Now that's old school material, so you just have to extend this line, put your swoops on both sides, put your swoops above, that'll create the perpendicular line. And extend it past where you think you need to go. And then just create your hypotenuse by one more swoop. Alright? That's it. Mr. Longo showing you how to create a triangle using a hypotenuse and a leg. See you, bye.